Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Etoro virtual account, a comprehensive guide that will walk you through the process step by step. Etoro is a popular online trading platform that allows users to buy and sell various assets, including stocks, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. The virtual account is a simulated environment where you can practice trading with virtual money, helping you to get familiar with the platform and test your trading strategies without risking real money. First, you need to create an account on Etoro, which is a straightforward process that requires some basic information such as your name, email address, and password. Once you have created your account, you can access the virtual account by clicking on the virtual portfolio option. You will be given a virtual balance of $100,000, which you can use to practice trading. To start trading, you need to navigate to the Markets section, where you can browse through the various assets available on the platform. You can search for specific assets, such as stocks, commodities, or cryptocurrencies, and view their current prices and charts. When you find an asset you want to trade, you can click on the trade button and enter the amount you want to invest. The virtual account allows you to practice various trading strategies, such as buying and selling, and setting stop loss and take profit orders. You can also use the platform's social trading features, which allow you to follow and copy the trades of other experienced traders. This can be a great way to learn from others and improve your trading skills. As you practice trading, you can monitor your virtual portfolio and track your performance. You can view your balance, profit, and loss, and adjust your trading strategy accordingly. The virtual account also allows you to reset your balance at any time, so you can start fresh and try new strategies. In conclusion, the Etoro virtual account is a valuable tool for anyone who wants to learn how to trade without risking real money. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can create a virtual account, practice trading, and improve your skills in a simulated environment. Remember to always use the virtual account responsibly and to never invest more than you can afford to lose. With practice and patience, you can become a confident trader and start achieving your financial goals.